Welcome back to Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair. I'm Matthew Sanders. We're located at 816 South 3rd Street, Smithfield, North Carolina. Lovely, lovely North Carolina. We're actually enjoying this raw North Carolina heat right now. I think it's in the 80 to 90 degree range. Hey, love it. Stay hydrated if you're in this region, especially during the summertime. Today we're working on an 04 Ford F-150, and we're doing the ABS wheel speed sensor on the front right. The vehicle came in with some fault codes and the ABS light. So we did a diagnostics and we determined that the front right wheel speed sensor was the fault. Reached out to the customer, got the part in, got authorization, and now we're moving forward. We're actually a full-fledged business here at Encore Automotive, so we actually do work on the general public vehicles. So if you're in Smithfield or anywhere around the Raleigh, Johnson County, Clayton area, come on by. We do state inspections, we do pre-purchase vehicle inspections. So if you're in the market, especially if you're coming down here to Smithfield, I know a lot of people buy vehicles from Deacon Jones. So if you want to do a pre-purchase inspection, stop on by Encore Automotive and we get that done for you. Bring you roughly between $65 to $100 depending upon the vehicle or what type of information we can pull out of that inspection process. But this is the ABS wheel speed sensor. It comes with a probe and wires, plug in, got a conduit around it to protect it. It's in the wheel area, so when you do place this on the vehicle, you're gonna want to put it up there according to how the engineers designed it to go. Because it can come in contact with the wheel or the tire and cause you a very, very unfortunate time. So you do want to make sure it's snug. Alright, I'm going to try to get this mounted to my head so I can show you this repair as it's going down. I'm going to go ahead and subscribe to the Encore Automotive Diagnostics and Repair YouTube channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified of updated content. I'm gonna try to bring you one video per day, if not more. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see, but I'm gonna make sure you're able to see. Let me see real quick. Let me see if I can get inventive here. All right, let's see. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Alright, it's me, Matthew, here. So, what we're looking at, let's see if we can see this. What we're looking at here is the old ABS wheel speed sensor, and it goes into the spindle. This is the front right side of the vehicle. This is the 04 F-150. This is the spindle here, and this ring here, which I'm going to try to shine my light in here, see if you can get a good look here, is what the sensor reads. It's basically communicating with the transmission, the engine control module, the ABS module, and all those systems work together. So this sensor here sends the speed, and it changes the shift points, assists in ignition timing, and a whole bunch of other things. ABS traction control. So this sensor here is malfunctioning. It's going to cause major problems on some vehicles, or some vehicles it won't cause no problems at all and just cause the ABS light to illuminate on your dash. But however, it's an 8mm screw that holds them in. It's not going to be a large fastener because it's nothing heavy. So what you're going to do is remove that fastener and don't lose it, because I didn't see a new one in the box and you don't want to waste time looking for one. So once that's removed, you're going to put your flashlight up so you won't drop it. Come on back over here to the vehicle and clean it out. Get it out here. Let's see, yeah, get it out. All right. Okay. And while you have it out, it wouldn't be a bad idea. See if we can get a light in there. Make sure it's not too rusty or contaminated, and make sure it's clear. Wouldn't be a bad idea to shoot a little brake cleaner in there, some shop air, and get out any foreign debris so it won't interfere with the housing of the other sensor or auto parts. Alright, let's see. You don't want to put too much. You don't want to breathe any of this stuff in if you can help it. On some vehicles, they got a hub assembly where this ring reads the encoder that's inside of the hub, or the assemblies come together. But on this vehicle, the wheel bearings are inside of the rotor here. Alright, got that clear. Then you want to move your attention on to removing it. Stick it in here, so we're gonna go ahead and move this here. I don't know if you can see it. Like I said, I don't know exactly where the camera is right now, but nonetheless, got that out. Get this out of here if we can get this.